Welcome, here I've got Oppo A52 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to this one button in the right corner, and when we pick this we get access to 3 other buttons. For now we are interested in this one from the left. So the first one here is the camera frame button, and when we pick this we can change the ratio of our picture. As you can see now it change it to the 1:1, the square one. When I pick this again, we go to full frame, so this is the full ratio of the picture, and once again we go to the 4:3, which was the original one here. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.